Alright YouTube, this is a 1977 Yamaha XS750. The thing hasn't ran in 30 years. We're going to put some fuel in it and see if we can get it to turn over. I want to see if the engine's going to run and then do a compression check before I tear the rest of the bike apart. All we did to it so far was put some new oil and an oil filter on it, rebuilt the carburetors, put those velocity stacks on it there, put a new throttle cable on it, put an auxiliary fuel tank on it right here just so we could get some fuel to it to see if it runs since the tank's not ready. And we put new plugs and resistors on it. Alright, let's fire it up and see what we got. Choke's on. There we go. Got something happening. Just the idle a little bit.